Hello, this is Rich Lavens of Eurotherm by Watlow, and I get this question quite often. Hey, I've powered up my controller, and it's in standby mode, or it's flashing some error having to do with powered down in configuration. What do I do? So here in iTools, um, as you can see, I've been in here playing around. I can make some changes here. And you'll notice up here, I'm in the access mode, which is the same as being in the configuration level at the instrument. So I'm going to make a couple changes here. Wait for this to proceed. And if you forget to log out of access, that's what's going to give you that error. So I'm going to remove this. This is live with the 3504, but many Eurotherm instruments are going to have similar characteristics if you power down and you're still in that access mode. So let's go ahead and remove this. And then I'm going to pop back to my actual instrument and show you how to correct that through the buttons. It's real easy. If you're in iTools, just hit the access mode before you hit remove. But let's pop over to the instrument. Okay, we're at the instrument, so let's go ahead and power this little guy up. Takes a few seconds here. Okay, so we're coming up in a standby mode, and if you look at our error, it says powered down in config. So first thing you have to do is acknowledge it. So I'm acknowledged, but I'm still on standby. So now we're going to hit, we got our page key, our enter key, and the down and up buttons. Let's just take that page key and hold it down. And now we're in level 1. Let's go to level 4, or config, same thing. So in config, enter passcode 4, which is the default. And now we're in there. Now all we have to do is go to level 1. See how I changed it? The thing will reboot. And now you can see I powered back up. We're no longer in standby mode, and we're no longer getting powered down in config error. So really, that's the fix for that symptom. If you're powered down in configuration, log back into configuration level, and then log back out to level 1. Hope you find this video helpful, but drop us an email and let us know. Thank you.